It has finally happened. You can now fix your iPhone using genuine Apple replacement parts. Last year, Apple announced that it would be launching a self-service repair website. And today, that website launched. Users can get replacement batteries, speakers, cameras, displays, and Taptic engines. You can then send back your original part to get a partial refund and save some money over a standard first-party repair. You can read more about it over on 9to5mac.com.